Let's see this question of UPSC CSAT for x greater than 1/3 and less than y less than 2. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Always correct. So this word is or are always correct is very important. So it is asking the extreme case. So we have to find one case where this relation is not satisfying. Then we can say that this statement is incorrect. So let's check that. So here to check that, I can select the value of any value I can select, but that should satisfy this condition. So I can choose my x equals to 0.5 or my y equals to 1, and by using that, let's see whether x plus 1 by x plus and y plus 1 by y, which one is greater and which one is smaller. So let's check that. 1 by x plus x and y plus 1 by y. So here I'm just putting 0.5 plus 1 by 0.5, and it is 1 plus 1 by 1. So this value is going to be 2.5 and this value is 2. So you can see here the relation is not satisfying. So my first condition is not correct. So it is not always correct. Okay. So let's see the second condition. So before solving the second condition, what we can do, we have to rearrange it little bit. So I am writing it as a 1 plus y square. I can bring that y within this root. So I can write this y square. I'm bringing this entire within the root and squaring it. Okay. So next it is saying 1 plus x square. I'm also bringing this x square within the root, and by doing little bit of solving it, I can get y square plus 1. Okay. So this is 1 plus again x square plus 1 root. So you can see here both are 1 is common, everything is common. This value is going to decide. If it is given my y is greater than x, in that case we can clearly say that this relation is satisfying. For example, if I am writing, let's say 1 plus, here it is 1 by 5 and it is 1 plus 1 by 2, and this value is more because this denominator is going to decide which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So my second statement is absolutely correct. So my answer is B. That is only to follow. So dear student, if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and please do share this video with your friend so the large number of students can benefit from it. And thank you for watching this video.